Welcome to Study All-in-One channel. Hello friends, today's topic is word formation. Word formation. What is word formation? Word formation is the creation of new words from one word. Means किसी भी एक वर्ड को लेकर उससे कई सारे नए वर्ड्स क्रिएट करना, उससे कई सारे नए वर्ड्स खुद बनाना, that is the word formation. Word is conversation. So today's word is conversation. Conversation word से हम देखेंगे कि हम कितने सारे न्यू वर्ड्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. So let's start. Rules. We will not repeat the letter if it is not repeated in the main words. Mean अगर कोई लेटर मेन वर्ड में लाइक कन्वर्सेशन आपने लिया है एंड कन्वर्सेशन में कोई भी लेटर 2 टाइम नहीं है तो उस लेटर को आप अपने बनाए हुए वर्ड में 2 टाइम यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं. आप 2 टाइम तभी यूज करेंगे जब वो कन्वर्सेशन में 2 टाइम ऑलरेडी है. दैट इज द रूल. 2 लेटर वर्ड्स. सबसे पहले हम 2 लेटर वर्ड्स बनाएंगे. फर्स्ट वी विल क्रिएट 2 लेटर वर्ड्स. at, in, on, is, it. Let's see. So first word is at. Now we will see how we create at. Look, to, at. Second word is in. In. Third word is on. On. Next is. Now again e and is. Next it. Now e and t, it. These are 2 letter words. If you want, so you can also see and create new words. 3 letter words. Cat, rat, not, van, ran, can, sit, tin, ant, vet, car, sat, and 10. Now we will see how to create 3 letter words. First word is cat. So cat, where is cat? Where is cat? Cat. To cat. Next word is rat. So to rat. Next not. So to not. To van. Van. Ran. Ran. Can. Can. Sit. To sit. Tin. Tin. Ant. To ant. Vet. To vet. Next sat. To sat. Car. Car. 10. 10. These are 3-letter words. You can also see and make new words. Now 4-letter words. Nest, rent, scent, tent, rest. Main word is conversation. So let's see. Nest. N-A-S-T. Nest. Rent. R-A-N-T. Rent. Scent. A-N-T. Scent. Tent. T-A-N-T. Tent. Rest. R-A-S-T. Rest. Now we will create new other words like soon.
Look, here the letter O appears twice.
Soon. Soon. This is the new words. Now you will also see and create new words.
Some other words you can try. Watermelon, aeroplane, interconnection, and discipline. These are some words by which you can make some new words. Thank you. I hope you all have understood these points. If yes, so please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.